Hey Praisers and Savers, I'm doing my first ever Walmart deals, and so if you do not have the IBOTTA app, Fetch or Shopkicks, please look in the description box below and click on my code to go ahead and get signed up. So my first deal is this Claritin chewables. It's going to be the 24 count. They are $19.82. I have a $4 off coupon. I believe there's a $5 off coupon out there in the couponing world, probably on coupons.com, but there's also a deal with the IBOTTA. You submit the receipt and it's $4.50. And also with Shopkicks, it's $4.86 that you get back. Remember, IBOTTA, Shopkicks, Fetch, those are all rebate offers. So I am going to spend money, of course. So $19.82, got that $4 off coupon, and so you're going to get back those rebates. So with everything, with your coupon and then your IBOTTA and your Shopkick rebates, you're getting back, sorry, not getting back, but you're spending $5.52 total. Next deal is the Suave Men 2-in-1. They are $1.88. I'm going to use a $1.50 off coupon, making it 33 cents for one bottle, and I can use 2 coupons per day with this coupon. This is a great deal on toothbrushes. These are $2.97. They're the multi-pack indicators, and I have a $2 off coupon, one Oral-B 2 count, and it excludes the Healthy Clean, Cavity Defense, and the Trial travel size. Since this is none of those, you should be able to get both toothbrushes for 97 cents. This coupon only allows you to use 2 per day per household. So I'm going to be picking up a couple of those. 97 cents for 2 toothbrushes. This is a total freebie offer with IBOTTA, so it's the Baby Bell Plus. They are $3.78, and on the IBOTTA app, they give you back $3.78. So total freebie after you purchase. Alright, Praisers and Savers, I just left Walmart. I had a interesting trip. I've never really done the Walmart couponing before, so it was my first time. But it was really good because I was able to get a lot of things without using extra care bucks or rolling rewards or gift cards. I was just able to shop like normal, use coupons in my cashback reward apps. So I used today in this transaction manufacturer coupons that I got from the Sunday paper. No digital coupons at Walmart, of course. Also used Shopkick. I wrote down something else. Shopkick, and I used IBOTTA, of course, and also Fetch rewards. So I will put my link to my reward apps in the description box. So if you don't have these apps, please click on that so you can sign up for those. So my total at the register was about $50, about $49 some change, and then I started using my coupons and everything else. My total came down to about $30, and then I submitted my IBOTTA, my Shopkick, and also my Fetch rewards, and I will be getting those monies back into my account. And so I had to spend about $30, but I'll get back $17 or so. So I got back $5 about in Shopkicks, because there's also some Suave on the Shopkicks I didn't know about. I got back $8.28 on the IBOTTA. That was for the Baby Bell and also for the Claritin. And then I got $2.67 back on the Fetch rewards. And so for me, I like to scan everything before I leave the store. So like while I'm done at the register, I'll walk off to the side and I just go ahead and make sure I scan it all, because I know a lot of times when I get home, things start getting, start being put away by the kids or being eaten by the kids or taken by the kids. So I like to do it all before I leave the store, so I kind of can know what my total is going to be. So all in all, total was about $50, and I spent $13.50 today. $13.50 with all of that. It was pretty exciting. So, and I got things I needed because the Claritin was $20 just for that box of Claritin, and we really need that in our household. The Baby Bell Plus was cool because it's a new product that I've never tried, and I'm going to try that out. Of course, I got all the toothbrushes and the Suave Men's Care, and I think that was it. All the items I got, yeah, pretty sure. Lots of toothbrushes. So, all right, guys, check out the description box. Make sure you are subscribed, and also hit that notification bell so you know when my videos are being uploaded. All right, guys, bye.